Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, counting down my top 5 favorite plants for the month of April here in Zone 7. Today's pick is one of my favorite broadleaf evergreen trees, marginally hardy here in Zone 7 until it's established, the one and only Cinnamomum jensenianum. Cinnamomum jensenianum has long been one of my favorite broadleaf evergreen trees. I especially love it through the month of April because it gets this beautiful rose colored to its new foliage. Now you can see my plant is multi-stem, and that's because it really had a difficult time getting established in the early days. Cinnamomum is a marginally hardy tree for this area, though this species, jensenianum, is one of the hardiest varieties, and once established is great in Zone 7. But when I first planted this back in 2011, we dropped down to like 2 degrees, and the following year 3 degrees, and that was just a bit too cold for this plant, so it died to the ground and then re-sprouted from the root. Cinnamomum is reliably hardy zones 7 through 10. There's actually 300 species of this genus. And if the word cinnamomum sounds a bit familiar, well, there's a good reason for it. This is a distant relative to the cinnamon that we like to eat for culinary purposes. Of course, cinnamon is simply the bark peeled off of a Cinnamomum species that is tropical. And as you can see here, I have this sited in more sun than shade. This is eastern exposure, and it's in full sun until about 3 to 4 p.m. Likes even moisture, so growing it in a landscape mixed with lots of other things, you know, like lettuce and itea, crinums, osmanthus, hollies, edgeworthia. It does really well in that exact kind of condition. This only gets supplemental water when we run sprinklers. And now that we are going past a decade in the ground, it's finally getting some size. Long term, this can grow over 100 foot tall. I hope you'll be inspired to learn more about the genera Cinnamomum and consider including some of the hardy species in your home garden if you live in Zone 7 or warmer. And be sure to tune in tomorrow for my next top pick for the month of April. Thanks for watching, everybody.